In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a section in Wix. Whether you're streamlining your website design, temporarily removing a section, or simply making adjustments without deleting content, knowing how to hide sections effectively can be incredibly useful. Wix offers a straightforward way to achieve this, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have the skills to manage your site's visibility with ease. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Wix website editor. Once you're logged in, select the website you want to edit. If you're new to Wix, the editor is where you can make all your design changes, so it's a central hub for customizing your site. Once you've entered the editor for the correct site, we can begin the process. Now, in order to gain access to the tools you'll need to enable developer mode or dev mode. Look at the top menu bar in the Wix editor, and you should see an option labeled dev mode. Go ahead and click on it. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want to turn on developer mode. Select Turn on Dev Mode and you're all set. This step is important because Dev Mode provides access to advanced tools, including the feature we'll be using to hide sections. With Dev Mode activated, the next step is to identify the section you want to hide. Take a look at your website in the editor. Locate the section you'd like to remove from view and click on it. Be sure to click directly on the section itself to ensure you're making changes to the correct part of your site. You'll know it's selected because a blue or outlined box will usually appear around the section, indicating that it's active in the editor. Once you've selected the section, it's time to hide it. In the settings menu that appears for the section, look for an option labeled Collapse or Collapsed. The exact wording may vary slightly, but this is the feature that allows you to hide the section from view. Click on the option, and just like that, the section will be hidden. It's worth noting that this doesn't delete the section entirely, it simply removes it from the visible layout, so you can bring it back later if needed. At this point, it's critical to save your work. In the top right corner of the editor, you'll find the Save button. Click on it to ensure that the changes you've made are stored. Saving frequently is always a good habit when working on a website, as it prevents any accidental loss of progress. Now that your changes are saved, click the Done button, which finalizes the editing process for this session. This signals to the editor that you've completed the adjustments you were making. Before we wrap things up, it's always a best practice to preview your site to make sure everything looks as intended. In the top menu bar, you'll see a preview button. Click on it, and the editor will switch to a live preview mode, showing you exactly how your site will appear to visitors. Browse through the preview and confirm that the section you selected is now hidden. If you don't see it, that means the process was a success. And there you have it. Hiding a section in Wix is a simple, effective way to manage your website's content without permanently deleting anything. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.